Hello, Financial Literacy. Okay, so if you are going to go ahead and click on that, and then we are going to be talking about the newest assignment that we did in class today. You're going to want to go into the Unit 2 College unit, and there is Understanding the Student Aid Report. So you're going to click on that. You should have received the 2 articles and the paper version of this assignment in class. If you did not, you need to come see me because I am collecting this on paper. So these are the questions. Here are the 2 articles. So if you wanted to read those articles at home, or if I didn't get those articles to you, and then if you were unable to get a copy, you should be able to do that. All right. So we are turning this in on paper, but I wanted to make sure you had access to this in case you were absent or gone today. I did post this today. You will be answering these questions based on those 2 articles, and that is what we did in class today. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, I hope you have a great day. If you need this assignment from me, go ahead and just ask me and I will give it to you. Thank you.